Rich Robin here. We're Gatorizing this trailer. This was purchased from a local dealership that deals in all kinds of utility trailers. They don't manufacture them. They buy them from manufacturers and resell them. This is a basically a 7-foot or 6'4" by 20-footer. Maybe 7 feet overall in length. I'm not sure. But anyway, it was 20 foot long. But we have taken it and we are installing the mesh all the way around because the customers that put stuff on the floor doesn't want to lose stuff sliding out the floor onto the highway, and specifically deer corn and other storage bins that they use when they go hunting. We're also installing 1/2-inch welded D-rings here. These are going to get welded here, and we cut holes through the mesh to be able to put the D-ring there for your big yellow ratchet straps to go through. And we're putting D-rings, so that's going to be 3 on the bottom like that down here, and then we're putting 3 up top all the way around. So you're going to have what, 12, and then we're putting another one here to winch to in the front on that channel, or that's like, no, that's angle. It's angle as well. I thought it was a piece of channel. But this is 3/16 wall angle, and this is a 2x3 angle piece here. So we're putting a D-ring there as well, along with this mesh all the way around it. And one of the things this owner could not stand, and I don't blame them, is these latches that were on here from the manufacturer. These things are brutal, man. They went here, and you would literally have to flip these over, and to get the gate open, these would stay like this unless you remembered to flip them back out of the way. And if you look at that, that's in line with your side-by-side tires and wheels. That would be no good if that hits your tire and punctures it, or your wheel and cracks your wheel. So we've removed these, obviously, and we're coming in with some different latches that this owner will not have to worry about hitting with his side-by-side, getting in or out, or hitting his leg, backing up or anything. I mean, those things are brutal, man, sitting out there like a sore thumb. They can cause some pain on somebody's calf and pain on somebody's wallet, hitting that side-by-side tire and wheel in there. I think that's all we're doing on this. No, I forgot. The biggest thing we're doing is this big old trailer doesn't have electric brakes. So we're installing electric brakes with a 12-volt breakaway battery box on it as well. And the spare tire mount that came with it was just sucked. Was not made to fit angle. So when you had your spare tire on there, the spare tire literally sat like this instead of vertical with the wall. It literally cockeyed and leaned out past your fender. It was pretty crappy. So we're beefing up that mount with some 2x2 by quarter wall square tube, so that when that tire is sitting here, it is actually vertical or parallel with the angle rail and not cockeyed and hanging out, potentially to hit something, or in this case, break off and fly down the highway at 80 miles an hour. So those are the things we're doing to this trailer. We can do this to your trailer, any trailer, man. I don't care where it comes from. Contact me, Rich, 713-896-0144, and set up an appointment. Bring your trailer in. Let us give you an estimate on what you want to do to it, like on this particular trailer, and landscaping trailers, anything like that, man. We can work on all that stuff. We can replace jacks. We can replace axles, springs, hanger kits, U-bolt kits, jack wheels, couplers. Obviously, we can run electric wiring and brakes. We work on these utility type trailers. We don't work on like RVs and stuff like that. So don't bring in big old toy haulers and stuff. We don't mess with that. But if you got a utility trailer like this, your side-by-side, an ATV trailer, single, tandem, landscape trailer, man, we can work on those all day long. We can put rear gates on them. We can build up the walls, put your 4-foot walls or sides on there. We can do any of that stuff that you want to do to it. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas. There's our contact right there. Got a little glare from the light. Probably see that right. GatorPit.net, 713-896-0144. Rich Robin, see ya.